welcome here. If you are new here to Homeschooling and Rest, my name's Angela, and I just want to quickly let you know about all the things that is available to you, especially if you are new to homeschooling, or if you are needing something new because you are heading into a new phase. So this page, Homeschooling and Rest, you'll find lots of information about the foundation phase, basically your grade R, maybe a little bit earlier, and learning to read, to write, basically what is learning. And on my YouTube channel as well, Homeschool with Angela, it also focuses quite a lot on that. And with the idea that you can homeschool your own child. Ideally, a child should not really be online. This is my own personal view, until they're a little bit older. I know that each one's different, and I know that each situation is different. So if you can, and if you are available, it's always good to just spend that time with your child. It doesn't have to be a long time, but ideally, especially for the first few years, that you can spend with them and homeschool them. There's lots of information, lots of resources available, so just take your time and familiarize yourself. And if you do have an older child, I would say from 10 and up, or even 9, that's also fine, but like grade 4 and above, then there are quite a lot of online opportunities, online resources that you can use, and you don't have to use them as your sole curriculum. You can mix and match. So firstly, you can have a look at Homeschool Classroom at www.homeschoolclassroom.co.za, and there I have a whole lot of online options for you. Self-paced, typical online schooling, British, American, CAPS, South African. So you can have a look at that. And if you are looking for math specifically, maths and science, then I have a math school called All Maths, and a lot of different types of math programs. There's some wonderful programs, especially if your child is struggling, let's say like in that in-between stage when they need to start learning their times tables, as well as looking at long multiplication, long division, all of that. There's Life of Fred, that is now online. There's about 2 months that you have available for it, where I have put the book Kidneys online, and there's also Times Tales, with a good discount for you. That's for the younger ones. Otherwise, if you've got a child in high school, there's Shawman Maths and Science, and of course there's the British and the normal South African CAPS. So this is just a quick hello and welcome here. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. But take your time, do your research. Really, if you are taking your child out of school, just spend some time just getting into a new rhythm, and just really getting to know each other in a different way now. And it's really a journey that homeschooling is like a journey that you do together with your child. So this is just quick hello, and we'll chat again. Bye bye.